Hello and welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks to help you maintain your car. Today, we'll be talking about an important aspect of car maintenance, choosing the right tires for your car.
Choosing the right tires for your car is crucial because they are the only part of your vehicle that actually comes in contact with the road. Here are a few things you should keep in mind when choosing the right tires for your car. 1. Understand the different types of tires. There are different types of tires available in the market, such as all-season tires, summer tires, winter tires, and performance tires. Each type of tire has its own unique features and benefits. For instance, all-season tires are suitable for year-round use, while winter tires are designed for snowy and icy conditions. 2. Consider the weather conditions. The weather conditions in your area play a significant role in determining the type of tires you need. If you live in an area that experiences heavy snowfall during winters, it is recommended that you opt for winter tires. Similarly, if you live in a hot and dry region, summer tires would be the best choice. 3. Check the tire size and specifications. Before purchasing new tires, make sure to check your car's manual or the tire information placard to know the correct tire size and specifications for your vehicle. Installing the wrong tire size or type can lead to handling issues and compromise your car's safety. 4. Look for reputable tire brands. It's important to choose a reputable tire brand that offers quality and durability. You can check online reviews and ratings of different tire brands before making a purchase. In conclusion, choosing the right tires for your car is crucial for your safety and driving experience. By considering the weather conditions, understanding the different types of tires, checking the tire size and specifications, and choosing a reputable brand, you can ensure that your car is equipped with the right tires for your needs. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.